Hello and welcome to the channel. It's your boy, Mr. Steve. Now listen, the season of ghosts, goblins, and things that go bump in the night might be over. But what's really haunting people right now? It's not under the bed. It's in your inbox, your workplace, and in your side hustles. What are we talking about? AI fears. So today we're breaking down the top 3 AI scares in 2025 and the exact steps to beat each one before it beats you. So without further ado, grab that notepad and let's go. Why? Because there's money to be made and we're about to get into it. Now, you've seen the headlines. Microsoft, MSN, Forbes, all saying automation is reshaping the workforce. But here's the truth. You don't need to compete against AI. You need to just work with it. According to the Society for Human Resource Management, closing skill gaps is the key. Basically, teaching people how to use AI so they're not replaced by it. So what's the solution? Focus on what AI can't replace. Networking and relationship building, creative problem solving, and people-driven leadership. And also, add AI fluency to your toolbox. In a nutshell, learn how to use AI tools to make the tools work for you. Before we dive into the last 2 AI scares, are you ready to turn AI fear into opportunity? Grab my free 5-step playbook with all the links and resources you need to stay ahead of AI. It's your starter roadmap to stay relevant, skilled, and secure. It's all for free at booksafterdark.com, and no email address is required, and all you have to do is click on the link in the description to get it now. And without further ado, the final 2 top AI scares in 2025 and how to beat them. Now, this one is a big myth. Sure, AI can automate tasks, but creativity, empathy, and judgment, that's still in our domain. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang said it best. AI won't kill your job, it'll change it. So what's the solution? AI still needs your oversight, your tone, and your judgment. Use it to multiply your output, but not replace your input. I get it. Every day there's a new AI money tool, but most people use AI to blend in, not stand out. They copy templates and trends and unfortunately disappear into the noise. So what's the solution? Don't use AI to simply duplicate others. Use it to amplify your story. And I hear you. Almost everything's been done before, right? But guess what? Not by you. So there you have it, our top 3 AI scares in 2025 and how to beat them. If you want the complete list with our bonus scares number 4 and number 5, head over to booksafterdark.com or click the link in the description. Now, here's what's next. Experts say remote work is fading fast, but we found 9 careers that are still out there that offer hybrid or fully remote opportunities, and many paying $50 an hour or more. So stay tuned for 9 high-paying careers that are still work from home in 2025. I'll link that video right here when it goes live. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss it. And until then, I've got nothing but love for you, and keep hustling.